The Xiaomi Robot Vacuum H40 is an affordable yet powerful cleaning device offering suction strength of 10,000 pascals, which is more than double the average vacuum robot. It runs quietly at 50 decibels and has a large 5200 milliamp hour battery that lasts up to 3 hours and comes with an auto empty dock that can hold dust for 90 days. Reviews praise its reliability and value, especially for cleaning everyday and pet hair, but note that it lacks advanced mapping and smart home integration found in higher end models. Um, at around $280 or about 15,000 500 pesos, the H40 is worth it if you want a strong suction and long battery life at a budget friendly price. But not if you're looking for premium navigation features. So this is a very beginner friendly robot vacuum from Xiaomi.